Hello everyone, welcome to Windows 10 tutorials. In this video we are going to see that how can you fix the issue if you have plugged in your charger in your laptop but your battery is not charging. So this is a serious issue because if your battery is not charging, then your laptop won't be able to be mobile. You cannot use it anywhere else where the plugin is not available. So let us see that how can we fix this issue in today's video. The steps are pretty simple. Right click on the start icon and go to the settings. Then from settings, go to system. Then from this option that says find a setting, just search for troubleshoot. So this would bring up troubleshoot settings. Just click on that. Go to additional troubleshooters, and from here find and fix other problems is a option that you'd see. So scroll down until you see this power option. Just select this and click on run the troubleshooter. This would take around 5 to 10 minutes. The troubleshooter will run and will find any of the issues with your power cable or with your charging cable. If there are any, it would fix those issues. Once the issues are fixed, then restart your system, unplug in your charger and plug it in again, and that should fix your not charging issue. If it still has not fixed, then again close this window, right click on the start button, go to device manager. Make sure this is all that you see, the device manager window. Go to the second option that says batteries. Go to the first option in the batteries, that is Microsoft AC adapter. Right click, go to update driver. Search automatically for drivers. Make sure it says the best drivers are already installed. In your case, if it does not say that, then any of the driver that is available and is of the best configuration will be automatically installed. If it is installed, then you need to restart your system and plug it to your device again. That should fix the issue. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.